Welcome, fitness enthusiasts. Today, we dive into the world of muscle recovery and flexibility with our top picks for the best of foam rollers on Amazon. Stay tuned as we roll into the details of each, helping you make the right choice for your fitness journey. For those seeking an advanced foam rolling experience, the RumbleRoller features firm but flexible bumps to target trigger points and provide deep tissue massage, ideal for serious athletes. Perform's foam roller provides a textured surface for a deep tissue massage, helping with muscle recovery and improving circulation. It's an excellent addition to any fitness routine. An affordable yet effective choice, the Amazon Basics foam roller is perfect for those looking to relieve muscle tightness and improve flexibility. Its high-density construction ensures durability. The LuxFit foam roller offers high-density AP material for firm support during exercises and muscle therapy. It's ideal for relieving tension and promoting flexibility. Known for its durability and effective muscle relief, the TriggerPoint Grid Foam Roller features a unique design that mimics a massage therapist's hands, perfect for post-workout recovery.